Nature's eternal love. In a world of constant change, one thing remains timeless: our innate connection to the natural world. Welcome to Nature's Eternal Love, a journey that delves deep into the hearts of those whose lives have been transformed by their unyielding love for nature. For many, the seeds of love for nature are sown in childhood, shaping the course of their lives. Our ancestors lived in harmony with the land, respecting its rhythms and understanding its language. This love for nature is woven into the fabric of our culture. Indigenous wisdom teaches us that the love for nature is not a new sentiment, it's a timeless bond that transcends generations. Nature's symphony is composed of whispers, melodies, and rhythms. Listening to the wind, the water, and the creatures is a way of tuning into its heartbeat. Every rustle and chirp is a note in the symphony that resonates with the human soul. A photograph freezes a moment in time, capturing the raw emotions nature evokes. It's an attempt to share the beauty that words often fail to describe. Through the lens of a camera, the love for nature transforms into a visual narrative that transcends language. Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges, but love for nature fuels our determination to fight for its survival. We are its voice, advocating for change. In the face of adversity, love ignites a fire that compels us to be fierce protectors of our planet. Teaching the next generation about sustainability and ecological balance is an act of love. When they learn to cherish the earth, they become its guardians. Through education, the torch of love for nature is passed on, ensuring a sustainable future. Nature has an incredible power to heal and restore. Whether it's a walk in the woods or simply sitting by a river, it nurtures our well-being. The love for nature extends beyond admiration. It becomes a source of comfort and rejuvenation. Stargazing opens up a new dimension of nature's love. The universe itself is an awe-inspiring reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of existence. From the smallest leaf to the farthest star, the love for nature encompasses the entire cosmos. Nature's eternal love has revealed the deep and multifaceted connection we share with the natural world. Through the lens of passion, wisdom, and determination, we've witnessed the power of love to shape lives and inspire change. As we continue on our individual journeys, let us remember that our love for nature is a force that unites us all, a force that can heal, protect, and guide us towards a future where nature's eternal love flourishes.